Viewers and subscribers, A1 here, back with another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your DJI mic series mobile receiver to your MacBook. This connection is in regards to doing voiceover. If you want nice crisp audio on your voiceover, stick around until the end of the video and you'll see how I actually connect my DJI receiver to my MacBook and actually do a voiceover. So first you want to grab your receiver. You want to plug it up to your MacBook. Then you want to go ahead and grab your actual transmitter. Now the transmitter, it's already paired, but in regards to pairing it, if it was not already paired, all you had to do was to press and hold this link button on the side right here until the lights start blinking. And I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that. So you want to push and hold. Now the lights start blinking, and you want to do the same with the receiver. Press, hold, the lights start blinking. So it just enter pair mode, both of them. Now, as you can see, that yellow light right there shows that it is connected. Now, what you would want to do is, I use CapCut for my editing. So I would go to CapCut. You know, I already have videos here and stuff, so I'm going to just click on one of the videos I have. If not, if you didn't have any videos already inside your CapCut space, what you would do is just import your video, but there was already a video there, so I grabbed it in there. So what you want to do is click on this little mic right here, and after you click on that mic right there, what you want to do is click on the MacBook Air microphone, and right where you see wireless mic right here, RX, you want to click on that because that's the receiver right here. And now that's the actual mic that's going to be the input mic for the voiceover. So I'm going to go ahead and actually start the voiceover so you guys could get an idea of how it works and how it sounds. So that's my intro right there for my intro page. So as soon as that is about to done, you want to click that. It'll start it over and give you the time to start your voiceover. So viewers and subscribers, I'm back with another video. Now before, as you can see, it was already a video that was made, so it's already talking. So what you would want to do is go back, go on your video right here, and actually silence that video. So for the recording that was already going, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go ahead again and click back on the mic right here for the voiceover. I'm going to start playing the video again while I have my arrow waiting over here on the voice recording. Oh no, but what it went ahead and did, it went ahead and killed all the sound, even the sound for my intro. So I would want to do the voiceover before I add my intro page. But with that being said, all the talking that I have been doing right now, none of it has been recorded. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to give you time to get ready. And viewers and subscribers, I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm actually showing you guys how to connect your DJI receiver to your MacBook to get crispy audio for your voiceover. So now I want to click stop right there. I want to close that out. Then go back and actually, viewers and subscribers, I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm actually showing you guys how to connect your DJI receiver to your MacBook. And that's how you get your DJI mic receiver connected to your MacBook with your DJI mic mini for crispy audio, for voiceover, for your actual videos. Guys, please remember to like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Peace out.